I feel like I've just been meaning to make this video for a while because I've been waiting for everything to show up in the mail, which some of it still hasn't showed up, but yeah. Oh, welcome to another V2 Lab vlog. Cue my intro. Oh, yeah, that's right. I don't have an intro. So we're gonna go change some tires today and go over some of the new Jay-Z stuff I got. So before I forget, I just want to throw this in there. The last video was on the DJI Ronin S settings. So if you guys are updated your app and you're kind of confused again, I could just make an update video. Just let me know if you need the information. Everything else is pretty straightforward. It's the same settings. It's just that there's a drop-down menu, and in order to set the user settings, you have to go to the top right left-hand corner, and there's like a 1 circled or a 2 circled, and that's how you get into your user modes. So I can make another video on that if you need that, but I guess we're just gonna keep driving for now. I do this to myself. We totally left the house at 4:54 and we're in rush hour traffic. I feel like I do this a lot, but it's also like the nicest weather, so it's not that bad, but we're in traffic. Look at all this majestic sunlight.
Can I put this in my vlog?
No. So speaking on the Ronin S, my buddy Lewis Jr. turboed an NSX the other day, or he just finished turboing it, and so I did a video with the Ronin S with my new 35mm Sigma art lens that I just got, so I'll show you guys that also. Check it out. Anyways, just back to pulling tires and swapping some stuff out. I tried some run flats out, and because I got them as like a homie hookup, and they are awful, 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 and super heavy for some reason. I want to give a shout out to Kwez. He gave me his like old tires. They were one size too big for what he was trying to do, and yeah, just check him out. I'll have a link to his stuff in the description, like badstar.jp. So yeah, he gave me these like, they're actually like kind of baller. They're like Advan tires. And I'm just gonna destroy them on Saturday, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so we're back home. I'm trying to dig through the boxes a little bit because I want to show you guys what I got and what's going on with the Jay-Z swap. So I basically haven't had any updates in a little while because I was ordering everything, waiting for stuff to come in. The motor mount showed up today. These are super sick. They're from TDR, which is like Tire Death Racing. I got them from v8schassis.com through Drift HQ. Drift HQ is where I ordered everything, and then they made all the orders from everyone else for me. I've got more stuff coming in from Kings, like the field management, but that'll be another vlog because I'm waiting for them to ship it. So here's the motor mount. Let me show you guys. This thing's super sick. It's got slotted space so that you can make adjustments on where it's placed on the engine, and it gives you a little bit of room for adaptation. You know, obviously depending on the transmission stuff you run. I'm running the M3 6-speed in my car, and that should be super sick. These are the other parts. It's funny that these came like this because they actually provided bushings. So I guess I'm going to have to press in the bushings myself, which kind of sucks, but whatever. I mean, I guess it's their own thing. That's how they sell it. This is an Autoflex plate. I had to get this from Drift HQ as well. It's for a 2JZ automatic. What this does is this goes behind the flywheel, so the starter can have something to grip onto, you know, some teeth to grab to start the car. And I ordered from PMC through Drift HQ again. Again, their service was amazing. I've been posting about it on Twitter and stuff like that, but their service was insane. They literally overnighted everything to me. This is the flywheel. You can kind of see the depth of it and everything like that. It's really, really, really nice. It's a really nice piece. And then I got a race clutch setup for the M3 transmission. I ordered their race clutch package. I didn't even open all of this yet. This is the clutch. Disc anyway. Put that back together. Here's the pressure plate. Again, still in the packaging, haven't opened anything. And the last little piece that I need to show you guys. Right here. This is the adapter plate. Again, another super, super nice piece. This is from PMC also. Came in the whole kit. I basically bought their race package kit from the... So it's like a 2JZ to the M3 6-speed transmission. That's what all of this is for, and that's what's going in the car. So last couple of pieces of the puzzle. I have a Q45 TPS sensor. I have to clip this, get a different plug for it, but Tyson sold it to me. I just had to do a little bit of modding. I had to put little washers in here that I got from Ace. Space it out a little bit. It's a stock hardware that came from the normal Toyota throttle body. This is an eBay like 100mm throttle body I got a while back. It was welded to the intake manifold. Obviously, the flange was welded. And these are pretty common on these builds because it gets rid of like the traction control and all the other weird stuff. And it's just a standard drive-by cable throttle body. I mean, pretty much everything about it's normal. And the other little piece that we got was a starter. It's a 1J starter. All these things are all interchangeable from what I understand. If it doesn't work, then I'll have to get a GS300 starter, which is the other one that was recommended. But I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Very straightforward, 3 wires, normal kind of thing. And yeah, I guess that's it for now. And thank you guys for watching. And yeah, if you have any questions about anything camera related, cinematic related, photography related, JZ, swap, anything that I got going on, feel free to leave a comment, DM me on Instagram. I check both accounts, the SORCERY one and the B2 Lab one. Yeah, we have an eventful weekend coming up. I Love Driving Slow Winterfest on Saturday, drifting at night, Adam LZ's open house on Sunday. And so I'll have videos from all that stuff. And if you enjoyed this video and want to follow along, like, subscribe, comment, do whatever. I don't know, help bump this video. And yeah, thank you guys. Next up, I ordered an Autoflex plate, which is this.